Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lang channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. Officially, now we are now 9,436 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Okay, ang pag-usapan po natin today ay national politics naman din, no? Dahil talaga mukhang tila bagang tuloy-tuloy na ang pagdemanda ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte kay dating senador at ngayon ay tumatakbo bilang mayor ng Caloocan City. Ang sabi ng Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, siya ang may problema. So, sabi ni ay siya ay optimistic na ang dating senador Antonio Trillanes IV ay makukulong sa kulungan dahil sa pagkakalat ng kasinungalingan na siya ay nagkaroon ng benepisyo diyan sa drug money. According to Duterte, there is no truth to Trillanes' allegations that drug money had been funneled into his bank accounts. No, the former leader plans to file a libel case against Trillanes, hoping to teach him a lesson for his defamatory remarks. Ayan, mahirap. Bintang ng bintang, di ba? Ang payo po natin kay dating Senador Antonio Trillanes IV ay talagang mag-concentrate na lang po siya diyan sa Caloocan City. Para may paliwanag niyan dyan sa tao na bakit siya ang karapat-dapat na maging mayor ng Caloocan City. Ngunit sa tingin natin ay hindi mananalo si dating Senador Antonio Trillanes. Sabi niya, drug money, dapat patunayan niya yan. Kasi mahabang yan, kailangan niya i-link niya ako doon hanggang dulo ng daigdig kung saan yan. Because if he cannot prove it, then sa karami niyang libel na masasalubong, surely yan, isa dyan, hindi lang fine, imprisonment talaga. Serious charges yan, lalo na sa allegations ng droga ayon kay Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Alam ng taong bayan kung ano totoo. Siya yung nagsisinungaling. Siyang may problema, hindi kami. Trillanes testified before the House Quad Committee, according to Duterte, of running a fake drug war to protect drug lords. He also alleged that drug money estimated at 2.4 billion pesos went to the bank accounts of Duterte and his family dating back for 2011. Duterte blew his top over Trillanes' allegations, threatening to throw the mic at his critic. He offered to sign the bank secrecy waiver if he can slap Trillanes in public. He later suggested opening his bank account details, but only to the House Quad Committee members. Yan. Sampa kayo, di ba? Yun po ang katotohanan doon, ha? Sige po, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Medyo masama po ang pakiramdam ni #WalkWithLan. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, kaibigan, mag-subscribe ka naman para naman we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all.